Bright Minds Biosciences aims to develop treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders like epilepsy, depression, and other central nervous system (CNS) conditions. What makes them stand out is a unique platform of highly selective serotonergic agonists that provide a rich portfolio of new chemical entity programs within neurology and psychiatry. The company's main products focus on serotonin receptor agonists. The company has developed patented selective serotonin, 5-HT2C and 5-HT2C, A receptor subtypes, agonists using high-throughput screening methods combined with advanced molecular modeling techniques. Their lead program is BMB101, a novel scaffold 5-HT2C agonist designed to provide sustained seizure relief in hard-to-treat patient populations. In Phase 1 clinical studies, BMB101 demonstrated safety and good tolerability. The company also has other lead candidates like BMB201 and BMB202, selective 5-HT2A agonists for neuropsychiatry and neurology indications, undergoing IND-enabling studies. These product candidates will face competition from UCB, Jazz Pharmaceuticals, H. Lundbeck A&S, Biocodex, Xenon Pharmaceuticals, Praxis Therapeutics, SK Life Science, Marinus Pharmaceuticals, Ovid Therapeutics, Supernus Pharmaceuticals, Harmony Biosciences, Takeda Pharmaceuticals, Eisai. Competitors in antidepressants and anxiolytics include AbbVie Inc., AstraZeneca, Bristol Myers Squibb, Eli Lilly and Company, GlaxoSmithKline, H. Lundbeck A&S, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, Novartis, Otsuka Pharmaceutical, Pfizer Inc., Sanofi, and Takeda Pharmaceutical Company. The company's licensing of patents related to PCT US 2011 and 023535 and PCT US 2016015019, owned by the University of Illinois and the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. These patents cover the discovery of novel selective 5-HT2C and 5-HT2CA agonists for the treatment of multiple neurological conditions, based on past research by Dr. Alan Kozakowski and Dr. Brian Roth. The company has an exclusive option to evaluate these inventions and obtain a license from the universities. In consideration, the company paid a signing fee and issued common shares to the universities, agreeing to pay royalties on net sales of products derived from the inventions and a portion of all revenue received from sublicenses. The companies have provisions for terminating the agreement under certain conditions. As for filed patents, Bright Minds Biosciences has filed patent applications focusing on novel analogs of psilocin that aim to maintain desired 5-HT2A activity while being devoid of 5-HT2B activity. For more on Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.